Hello everyone, welcome back to Automation Testing Adda. So in this lecture we are going to learn about System.setProperty. More specifically, we'll see how to set up BaseScript in Selenium for invoking Selenium WebDriver. So as you can see on the screen, I have already made the setup and will explain this one by one. So System.setProperty is used to configure system properties that affect the behavior of WebDriver. It allows tester to set properties like the browser driver executable path before initializing the WebDriver, ensuring proper communication between the test script and the browser. So by using this set property, testers can set the appropriate system property key value pair. So in this case, the key is webdriver.chrome.driver and the value is part2 chromeDriver.exe file. Depending upon the browser you are using, this can be different. So let's say if you want to use Firefox, so you can write Gecko here instead of Chrome. So that will set Firefox for you, Firefox browser for you, and the path should be to the driver of Firefox browser. Okay, so newer version of Chrome browsers, specifically 1.15 or newer, needs a Chrome browser for testing. So they have given a different browser specifically for testing. So as you can see on the screen, I'll paste this link in the description box for you to check. So Chrome for testing availability. So here the stable version of this Chrome browser as well as chromeDriver is given. So if you are using Windows 64, you can just copy and paste this link in the URL section and it will download the Chrome for testing browser for you. Similarly, for chromeDriver, you can copy and paste this link in the URL section and a chromeDriver will be downloaded for you. I will post both this link in the description of this video. Okay, so next is Chrome options. So this class allows you to customize and configure the chromeDriver session. For us to set the new Chrome browser, we have to set binary. So options.setBinary method sets the path to the Chrome browser executable. By default, WebDriver uses Chrome browser installed on your system. This is useful as we want to use specific version of Chrome for testing, which I just showed you. Next is WebDriver driver equals to new chromeDriver options. Finally, this line initializes a new instance of chromeDriver with the Chrome options object options. This particular object. Then this WebDriver object driver can now be used to automate interactions with the Chrome browser. So let's say you have to get a particular URL. So you can simply write driver.get URL. Then path to the URL. Simply you can paste this and this will take you to that particular URL. So that's all for today. See you soon. Thank you.